All right, hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. Happy Sunday. Hope you're all having a wonderful day and ready for a great week ahead. And you guys know what time it is now. You guys know what time it is. It is time for analysis for XRP, our beloved XRP. We're going to be talking about what exactly is happening with XRP and where we could be going in the immediate short term, and what does the near future hold for the price of XRP. If you enjoyed this kind of video, you guys know what to do. Come join the Crypto ZX army by liking, commenting, and subscribing. But now let's get right into it. If we're looking at the price of XRP right now, it is currently trading at 47.3 cents. We're down about 1% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. Also down about 1.6% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, the market cap is currently sitting at $24.5 billion with the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $500 million. So now comes the question, why is XRP down? So, right away, that's one question that I'm going to be getting, and that's one question that you guys might be thinking about. Why is XRP down right now? We had a tremendous move in March, but what exactly happened? Where is that force, that driving force that was causing a lot of excitement coming in? We're going to be talking about that. So settle down. Let's get right into it. So I wanted to share this with you guys. I'm not sure if you guys have heard about this, but this is very interesting. And if you are an XRP holder, this will get you excited. So it says, Ripple has continued to pour billions of dollars into its own cryptocurrency XRP, spending almost $2.6 billion on the token last quarter. So despite the fact you guys know that the SEC lawsuit is going on, Ripple is still purchasing their own token. And why are they doing that now? You may be saying, it's to keep its value where it is, and also, to show that, they are super confident in their project itself. As you guys know, Ripple is not just a cryptocurrency itself. XRP is just, it's used, in day-to-day tasks. So, obviously them purchasing it is a huge plus point as well. And it is a green indication for my personal self, because that shows, they believe in their project so much despite this, lawsuit. I don't even know this. Honestly, it's sickening. It started to sicken me, the fact that how this lawsuit is not coming to an end yet. And we're going to talk about that more in depth. But, if we're looking at the further article states, the San Francisco headquartered firm began buying XRP 1 year later. Blockworks previously reported. At the time, Ripple stated it was doing so to support healthy markets. So this is talking about last year. And also, since then, Ripple has dramatically ramped up its XRP purchases, which do interact with crypto exchange prices despite its high profile run with the SEC, which again, like I've said, is very impressive. And it also says since 2020, Ripple has sourced XRP from the open market to ensure there is a sufficient supply of XRP available for our growing ODL business, as I've mentioned to you guys earlier. And it also mentions that Ripple briefly stopped buying XRP, and due to the U.S. banking crisis, which should not be a surprise right now. You guys know a lot of banks have been failing over the past few months, and obviously that does make quite sense as to why they have kind of stopped briefly purchasing some XRP. But I wanted to share this with you guys, so kind of shed some positive light on this entire project itself. Now let's get right into the analysis and see what exactly is happening with XRP. So before I get into that, guys, you guys know that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So if we're looking at the price of XRP right now, you can see we are sitting below that level of support. And which level of support am I talking about? That 50 cents level of support. And why is this so important, you may ask? You can see this for yourself. We've been trying. So again, this is a consolidation phase. As long as we're below that level of resistance, you can see that is a consolidation phase. And we've seen XRP try to break out of that range so many different times, but back in March, late March, we did finally see it break out towards the upside, and that was very exciting. So now this begs the question whether or not this was Ripple themselves buying it. as I've shared this article with you guys, was it them purchasing their own token? What exactly was happening here? It potentially could be them picking it up, but right now we are seeing the price once again below that range, but we are being supported by the previous level of support, and there is tremendous amount of support built up around here. So now you may ask this question, so why is XRP still not above that level of resistance? And this is what I was telling you guys before then too, that we need to see the price actually close above in the 78.6 zone. We can't go below it. And the reason as to why we're going below it is because investors' confidence. Investors are looking elsewhere. They're seeing other altcoins. They're FOMOing into other altcoins. A lot of other opportunities out there, and people FOMO, which is again a really, really scary thing to do. People are FOMOing into meme coins now. After this Pepe thing that made people millionaires over the last 2 weeks. People are literally jumping ship. So that could be a catalyst too. But remember, BTC dominance right now is sitting at all-time highs. You don't want to underestimate this. It's literally sitting at all-time highs, which is obviously causing XRP along with other altcoins to lag behind. So I want you guys to keep that factor in mind. We're still holding quite well in my personal opinion, and I would not be too worried. But what I would be worried about is when this lawsuit is coming to an end. I've told you guys this before, this is absolutely ridiculous. The bull cycle has already started and this stupid lawsuit is still not coming to an end. I don't know what is going on, but whatever it is, it needs to come to an end. And I'm going to be quite straight up to you guys. If this lawsuit were to not come to an end, this bull cycle also, we're not seeing those explosive moves for XRP. Sure, XRP could possibly hit $2 to $3, maybe a newer all-time high if Bitcoin were to obviously see a newer all-time high this time around. Keeping those things into consideration, yes, XRP could potentially follow the market momentum like it did last time and hit an all-time high, but we're not talking about those parabolic moves where things go insane. Majority of the momentum comes into XRP. XRP is a catalyst. In order for that to happen, this lawsuit needs to come to an end. That is my current analysis. What I would love for XRP to do is get above this level of resistance, but obviously right now Bitcoin has majority of the momentum. BTC dominance is quite high, so I wouldn't really too worry much about that itself. But like I said, I would worry about this lawsuit coming to an end sooner rather than later. I love you all. Would love to know your thoughts down below in the comment section. See you guys tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.